Hi, today we are talking about a basic Python script that is used to capture some show commands from a Juniper router in this example. It's pretty much the same script can be used to run commands on Cisco or other platforms. The key here is to understand this basic Python script and try to adapt it according to the devices that you are trying to access. So to begin with, we are just scanning through the script here. So I have this script called SSH-Show. I am importing the Netmiko modules from the Python library. Likewise, I'm also importing the getpass module, which is required to prompt for a password. Now, the parameters for the script are into a variable called my device, where the host is that of a particular Juniper IP address that I'm trying to access. You can see that the username is provided, but for the password, it is prompted through a getpass from the Python library. So what it will happen is as soon as you run the script, it is going to prompt me for a password and I enter the password rather than having the password written on the script itself, which can be a security risk. And the device type is given as Juniper Junos. Now, if your device type is Cisco, you would be giving it as iOS, Cisco iOS. There are different syntaxes for device type in the Python library. You just have to replace it with the corresponding device type. Now, the main component of the script is the net connect module, which is invoking the Netmiko and trying to access the parameters within my devices. Yeah, and then as soon as it connects, what is being asked by the script is to output this command net connect, which is this particular parameter variable that is invoking the netmiko and accessing the device. And then it is trying to send the following command, which is given within the brackets. As you can see here, I'm trying to get show version no more, and that output is being printed on the screen. Likewise, you can add multiple commands. The second command that I'm looking for is net connect, which is this particular variable that will invoke netmiko and my device parameter details. And the send command would be show arp no resolve. And these outputs are also printed out. Likewise, the last command that is being executed is show log messages pipe no more last 10. And finally, net connect disconnect would disconnect from the router. So this is a very basic script that is trying to just invoke a few parameters and try to get the outputs. So I can initiate the script by just running the Python 3 module. You can run the script from Python version 2 as well, but pretty much Python 3 is the latest, so I'm using that. I'm calling the script. As soon as I do it, you could see that it is prompting me for the password and it's asking me to enter the password. So this is just to enhance the security of your script. As soon as I enter the password, it's executed the three commands, as you can see here. The first command being that of show version. Here you can see that the host name is MX960 rack 12, and there is a particular IP address version that is for this MX. Likewise, I have the ARP table being listed here and the log messages. Now you can also run the script rather than printing it to a file local output. You can save it to a file, say pop for example, and what it's going to do is run all these commands and save it to a file, and then you could access the file using your command. So pretty much a very basic script that can be used to get some quick outputs from your boxes. Once again, just showing you the script is here. You could just copy the script and try to update it with your corresponding device IP addresses and your particular device template. In this case, I'm using a Juniper device. You could just update the device type to your corresponding box and the corresponding commands will be updated. Hope this is useful. Bye for now.